So it turns out that my canvas painting that I recently painted and sent to the framers was not square. The canvas stretcher itself was wonky and would not have suited the type of frame that I had selected, which was a floating tray frame. This video shows what I did to salvage the situation by replacing the stretcher. I've laid the painting on the new canvas stretcher that I'm going to use, and I've put a few boards down so that when I set tools down I don't make a hole in the canvas, my painting. I've taken the staples out along the edge, all but a couple here. I used this small screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, to prise the staples, get a go on them, and then I pull them out with the pliers, throw them in there. I think this is the last one, so I have prised that up a bit and then just pull it out. So that's the painting free of its wonky stretcher, and I will have to do the same process with the brand new stretched canvas. I'll have to find somewhere to leave this until I'm ready to put it onto that one. So before I did anything, before I even bought the canvas, I did what I should have done before I started painting. I measured the diagonals and they're both identical, which that means the canvas is square. Using a larger flathead screwdriver, I am just prising the canvas free of the stretcher, and I will reuse this material. It won't go to waste. I can possibly create some canvas boards with this material by gluing it down to some hardboard. So I'll keep that for a future project. The painting is now underneath. This is the back of the canvas. It's the right way up. And now I have to position it correctly. I'm putting one staple in on every side to start with. I've done top and bottom. Using an electric stapler. It's nice and tight. I've just to do the other bits in between staples now. So divide the gap. As you go to get it even. Tucking the corners in the way they were before. I was able to do a neat job, taking my time and carefully working my way around each side. And the framer was able to then place the canvas into the tray frame that he had made, the style that I had selected. And I think it turned out lovely. Thanks for watching.